we failed.
Is this your elbow? Or is this your elbow?
I am back on my Coke Zero bullshit. I had Coke Zero all the time years ago, and then one day it just stopped being good to me. But recently I've been back on my Coke Zero bullshit, and you know what? Damn, it's not good. It was by 1 point as well. I think about how they do those where they use it.
NANI?!
Oh, that's awesome, Vandal. Hey,
Ziggler makes it back to his feet. Is he going to deliver sweet?
Level 99, there were 3 fake letters, a troll who made fire or acid to kill, and 1 real letter that had a combination puzzle to solve before you could find out who it was. There was a troll under the bridge. Literally, how they would like clean a toilet bowl with a pull it. I'm like, is that what it is? I said, is that what it is? Yeah, it's delicious. Sorry, I don't. I downloaded Fortnite again. Oh my god, even playing the new update. You can really drop in. Google Calendar invite. Please. She didn't do it. Sub-redeem, I got you. Hopefully that works. Look at you with your little badge. I'm not allowed fizzy drinks. They make oh, wait, really? Whoa, for real? Rosie? Actually, if you get carbonation in your system, could it make your stitches explode? Is that true? Oh, fantastic. I think the dog was watching you while I was gone. Those videos that people post on TikTok. In front of a plate of food, right? The dog will have to sit there alone. Looking at the food and have to resist the food. So you get to see the dog like alone in the room, just like trying to search every
Wee.